Let's talk about, from the home office perspective, how we create the custom environment for your advisor and advisor teams and how we roll this out. So first, we'll start with content. Content comes in two flavors. First, foundational knowledge, which are the essentials through the asset classes and strategies, and then funds and solutions on our platform. So let me tell you two important things about the content. First off, this content is created in concert with our due diligence partner, Mercer, who works with our expert content teams within CAIS IQ to create the learning sets. The second important thing is this content carries continuing education credits through CIMA and CFP for certification holders. And specifically, the content that covers credit right now are the fundamentals of alternative investments, and then the alternative investment asset classes, hedge funds, private equity, private credit, and private real estate. The second part of our menu covers products that are within the CAIS platform. Here, the actual funds and solutions come from our asset managers who work with our in-house team to create the learning modules, and they cover the gamut from the subcategories of hedge funds to private markets to private equity to private real estate. And this is where we have provided the unique learning content, exactly what the fund managers want the advisors to know and to understand about their products and services. Our team at CAIS IQ will work with you to customize a rollout plan tailored specifically to your needs. This custom plan features the ability for you to decide to have both mandated and elective content, as well as the ability to have different groups within your organization studying different content depending on their function and their level of expertise in alternative investments. We'll also work with you to ensure that your content is updated and new material is made available on a cadence that works for your organization. For the home office, one of the unique features of CAIS IQ is the reporting and learner analytics that we can provide. So here we're taking a look at learners who are within a fundamentals of hedge funds program. If I drop into the analytics, I see a knowledge bank that shows me where my learners are in real time. So this is not historic data about a quiz or an assessment they took 3 months ago. This is real time where they are now and predictions about future performance. Here I can see for this particular module on hedge funds, there was a retention goal of 2.5. I've got 12 learners at that goal. I've got 7 learners who have actually kept going past that, and I have some learners that are on their way. I can hover over one of these learners, see where they are, when they last reviewed, and predictions about their next review schedule. And so in this way, I get real-time data about where people are now and where they're going. I can look, for example, and see when did my learners last review this particular content. And I can see that someone was in this course just 21 minutes ago. Or I can see difficulty on a user-by-user basis that shows me who finds this content easy versus who finds this content difficult. Not on a subjective basis, but based on their actual learning, what items are difficult and what items are easy. I can look at things like study time, which again is not a great measure of learning, but is very important for tracking CE credits. So this gives me a deep analysis of where my learners are. What we do for our partners in the field is we create various types of reports. And these reports that we can provide on a bi-monthly or a weekly basis, depending on your needs, will give you the analytics about who your learners are, where they are in terms of their progress, their goals, the number of items they've reviewed, their study time, their levels, etc. This level of reporting and learner analytics gives the home office a true 360 sense of where their advisors are at any given time and a deep understanding of the content that they need to see in the future to build lasting retention for all things alternative investments. 2 other things to note. One is that the system features assessments and surveys that can be given to advisors at any time on a one-off basis. And we can also create custom content to meet the specific needs of your learners. So for organizations that want to use CAIS IQ but need to change around content or actually want to do their own content within our system, our team can work with you to bring your content into our environment and push out to your advisors.